Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So students, please tell me what we have learned in our previous class. So students, we have learned personification in the poetry in our last class. So students, this is your block 14 and this is the lesson 4 of your block. So student, today we will write a descriptive paragraph by personify things. Imagine that we had to Manali for camping. Camping में गए हुए हैं हम मनाली. So we were surrounded by trees, mountains, rivers and fresh air. So students, can you tell me what things can be personified and what human qualities can be given to them? Okay students, so we can personify the blowing wind, the swaying trees, the moving clouds, the twinkling stars, a flowing river, and still mountains and smiling flowers. So students, please tell me, this is your word web, and please tell me how can we use this word web to write a description of a scene by personify things, and what is the setting and what are the things around us. So we will write a paragraph. Now look at this paragraph. I went to a class trip to Manali last week. I can't forget the memorable experience. We were there for 14 days. वहाँ पे कितने दिन रहे? 14 days. One of the best days was when we camped in the night. So we made tents in the middle of the forest. Tall mountains stood high around us. The wind whispered in our ears and begged us not to sleep that night, or we would miss the sight of the smiling stars. We could hear the laughter of the river flowing just behind me. So, student, this is a paragraph when we visit at Manali. सो मनाली में जो आपने विज़िट किया और जो जो थिंग्स वहाँ पे देखी, सो हमने क्या राइट किया है, एक डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ राइट किया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डज द पैराग्राफ डिस्क्राइब? एंड सो this paragraph describe the experience of a trip. Okay students, so students, next one, what is personified? What is personified? So, and what human qualities are given to them? So in this paragraph, the mountains, the wind, the stars, the river are personified. Okay students, माउंटेन को, विंड को, स्टार को एक पर्सन की तरह इसमें डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. सो दे हैव बीन गिविंग द ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज ऑफ स्टैंडिंग, विस्परिंग, स्माइलिंग एंड लाफिंग. ओके, लाफ्टर ऑफ रिवर हो गया, जैसे रिवर क्या कर रही है, लाफ कर रही है. सो ह्यूमन भी लाफ करते हैं. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी डिस्क्राइब एंड दैट वी personified in this paragraph. Okay students, so students, can you tell me which adjective has been used in the paragraph? So look at this paragraph. We have used adjectives such as memorable. Adjective है memorable, best, tall. Now look at this, tall mountains, tall, and so these are the adjectives. So students, we can use more adjective to describe the things in the paragraph, such as tiny tents and dense forest. Okay, so students, can you tell me what can be the title of the paragraph? So the title of the paragraph can be a night at a mountain night in Manali, or a trip for Manali. Okay, students. So I hope it is clear to you. So this is the descriptive. This is your descriptive paragraph by using this word web. And in this paragraph, we describe the things like human qualities, like standing, whispering, smiling, and laughing. सो इसमें आपने बोला है ना लाफ्टर ऑफ द रिवर, रिवर लाफ कर रही हैं. और क्या यूज़ किया है इन्होंने, द विस्पर्ड इन द ईयर, विंड क्या कर रही है, विस्पर कर रही है. टोल में माउंटेन स्टूड हाई. ओके, सो स्टैंड हो रहे हैं, तो ह्यूमन भी स्टैंड होते हैं, ह्यूमन लाफ करते हैं, ह्यूमन स्माइल भी करते हैं. ओके, सो दीज स्माइलिंग स्टार बोला ना उसने. सो इन दिस पैराग्राफ we personified the things like a human. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to you. Now move on the worksheet. Sorry. So in our next video, I will tell you about we will discuss our worksheet. Okay, students. So students, thank you for watching this video and watch it carefully.